Hey guys, this is Joe Bennett with Homeschool Manager. This video will show you how to use the book list. You can get to the book list from this icon that looks like a book from the student tiles. You press that. It takes you to a tab that you'll see titled Book List. In here you come to the date read and you enter the date that your student read this book. We'll choose May 6th. The title, simply enter that in, and the author as well. Enter in the ISBN number if you have one, and any notes. You can also enter in the number of pages that your student read. After you have that information in, you press Add. You'll see it comes into the list here. You can edit that by pressing this pencil icon. Brings up this pop-up where you can change the title. Press Save. It'll update the title for you. You can also delete a book from the list by pressing this X and deleting one. Now if you need to produce a printout of the book list to submit with a transcript or to an evaluator, you can do that through the Documents tab. You'll see we have a book list option. Press Book List, choose the school year that you'd like to do it for. Press this Generate Book List Report. It will add that to your documents list. From there, press the book list button on that particular printout that you like to do. It'll bring up a PDF that you can save or print out and submit. That's how you use the book list in Homeschool Manager.